If you want to get Evernote for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process to sign up for Evernote's free plan, choose the right account type, and start using it on web or on your devices. This is perfect if you want a reliable place to save notes, ideas, to-do lists, and important information without paying right away. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Evernote download page. You want to make sure you are using the official website so you can safely create your account and avoid fake download pages. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Start for Free or Sign Up. This is the beginning of Evernote's free plan setup, and it only takes a minute to begin. After clicking that button, Evernote may ask whether you want to use it for personal use or for a team. If you're just trying it out for yourself, choose personal use. If you're setting it up for work or a group, you can choose the team option instead. For most people watching this video, personal use is the best place to start because it gives you access to the basic free features without any extra setup. Next, you'll see the registration options. Evernote lets you create an account using your email address, Google account, or Apple account. If you want the fastest method, using Google or Apple is usually the quickest because it signs you in with just a few clicks. If you prefer email, that works too. Simply enter your email address, create a password, and then click the Create Account button to continue. Once your account is created, Evernote will take you into the app or dashboard where you can start organizing your notes right away. At this point, you can use Evernote directly in your web browser, which is great if you don't want to install anything yet. Or, if you prefer using an app, you can download Evernote on Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, or Android. That way your notes stay synced across all your devices. If you want the best experience, I recommend signing in on both your browser and your phone so everything stays up to date wherever you go. You can create notebooks, save checklists, store files, and keep all your important information in one place. And because you're using the free version, you can get started without any upfront cost. So just to recap, go to the official Evernote download page, click Start for Free or Sign Up. Choose personal use if you're signing up for yourself, register with email, Google, or Apple, and then start using Evernote on the web or download the app to your device. It's a quick and easy process, and now you know exactly how to get Evernote for free. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.